Hello, my maths ninjas. Welcome back to the next video of the chapter number one that we are doing up. That is large number around us. I hope you have seen the previous videos. If not, I would recommend you to do watch the previous ones so that we can bring a continuation in understanding. In case of any confusion, do write in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe. So today's topic that we're going to understand is given on page number 11 of your book, that is nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors, or we can call it as approximation also, or rounding off also, right? Just imagine a situation like you have got a birthday party, your birthday party is there, and you are inviting almost maybe 12 to 13 friends of yours, right? Now, if you're placing the order for them, the food item, maybe you're placing the order for them, how many plates do are you, or how many packages are you going to order? Will you order exact 12 or 13 only as many guests? Or you're going to order lesser number, or you're going to order some larger number? So I'm sure your answer would be the larger number. Maybe it could be 15 or maybe it could be 20 on a round off figure. So whenever such condition comes in a situation where we do not want an exact number, we always go for a rounding of the numbers. Before I take up the questions that are given here in the book, we will be understanding that there is a basic rule that we have to keep in mind. And what is that basic rule? 5 plays a very major role here. Now, 5, right? If a number, if a number is lesser than 5, remember that it will not put up any impact on the previous number to it, right? If a number is, just remember right now when we will be doing question, I will again recap that. So when a number is lesser than 5, it will not impact the next number to it. And secondly, if the number is 5 or greater than 5, the next number would be increased by 1. Okay. Now let's understand this with a small example first, and then we will go to the bigger problem that's given here. Let us say I have a number, say 17. So 17 is a two-digit number and it will come between 10 and 20. Which two tens it is coming? It is coming between 10 and 20. Now understand this 17 is more closer to which number? Is it closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? But obvious, you can see it clearly, it is more closer to 70. So rounding off of 17 is your 20. Okay. Similarly, if I give you one example of say 23. Now 23 is going to come between 20 and 30. Okay. So this 20 and 30, and again if I ask you if to the which nearest 10 it is more closer, so 23 is more closer to 20. Now what I've explained it previously, I've explained you the rule of 5, right? So what I said, I have to go to the nearest tens. So tens place is 1 here. So what I'll do is I will check on this 7. So 7 is greater than 5, right? So what I said already, when a number is greater than 5, it will increase the next number by 1. It is already 1. So it will increase it by 1. So 1 plus 1, it will become 2. So this number becomes 20. Similarly, if the number is now 23, so 3 is less than 5. So since it's less than 5, it is a, we can understand like it's a weaker number, it's a smaller number, it will not impact the next number. So it will bring no change to the next number. Means what? This number will remain 2 only. So it is 2 and this 0. So by rule, we can go like this. All right. Now, let's begin to understand what if we're going to have such big numbers, how we are going to put up the rounding off. So rounding off, we can have so many neighbors. We know the place value chart. We can start from nearest tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crores, and as many as numbers we want to take up. So here in the example, we have given with this number. If I want to name this number, what is this going to be? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crores. So this number is basically 6 crores 72 lakhs 85,183. Now, if I want to rounding it off to the nearest thousand, now I have to focus on only on the thousands place. Now, how it is going to work? So see, our number is this only. This is 67285,183. All right. Now we have to see the thousand. We are rounding off to the nearest thousand. So what will happen? We only going to focus on this thousand place. Okay. Now again in this also we will focus more on this 1. So 1 is less than 5, so it's a smaller number, it's a weaker number, it is not going to put up any impact on the next number, that is 5. So what will happen? This number will become 67285 because it didn't change, and since we are rounding off to the nearest thousand, so the rest of all the digit will become 0, right? So see, we have got all the thousands place digits, like we get three zeros because thousands have three zeros. Let's understand it more deeper way. Now we are going to rounding it off to the nearest 10,000, right? Now 10,000, again pick up the same number because we are understanding for the same number. So the number is 67285,183. So now 10,000 has how many zeros? Four zeros. So now our impact is going to be, we have to see these four groups. This what I said, this number is 5 or greater than 5, it will increase the next number. So it is 5. So what number is there before 5? This is 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. That is the reason why this 9 has come up here. Okay, so now you understand why this 9 has come. And again with the same logic, all the rest of the four digits would become 0, right? Now, I think it will be now easy for you. Now, lakhs. Lakhs has got five zeros. So now we are going to see the last five digits of my number. So the number is this. So last five digit means now I have to see this 8 also. Okay, so now 8 is again greater than 5, so it will increase, it will make it more powerful, and it will become more closer to this. So 2 plus 1, this will now, this number is increased by 1, so instead of 2 now we will be having 6 7 3. It is not 2 now, it is going to be 3 and plus these digits. All right, and in a similar fashion we will just keep on increasing the rest number. Again 10 lakh, so 10 lakh, the number is 67285,183. So for 10 lakh I'm going to see the six digits, so this two, and again the hero number is 2. 2 is again lesser than 5, it is weak number, it will not increase my next number. Always remember such things with the stories, or put up something interesting to it, so that you are never going to forget those numbers. So 2 is never impacting that, so 7 is 7 only. So it is going to be 6700000, right? So it is going to be like this. And the last one to the crores now. So for the crores, we are just now going to see all the big numbers except this 6. So now the group is this, and again 7 is greater than 5. It is going to increase the number by 1, which is going to make 6 as 7. This. So the number is going to be 7 crores. It is nearest rounding off to 7 crores. So this is how the concept of rounding off. So as we started up with the concept that 5 plays a very important role, right? It is going to create the balance between all the numbers. So in, if you have understood how we made these numbers to the nearest neighbors, I'm sure you will be able to crack the questions given here. So these two parts, I expect you to be doing it yourself. Five nearest neighbors. So what does that five nearest neighbor means? Like to the nearest thousand, nearest 10,000, nearest lakhs, nearest 10 lakhs, or nearest crores. In fact, you can try for nearest tens also. That's completely fine. It's your choice to the what nearest number you want to pick up. Even you can go to the beyond that also. You can go for nearest 10 crores also if that number is a bigger number. So I hope you have understood today's concept. Do write in the comment section the answer of these two parts. Let me see if you can get it or not. And again, in the case of any sort of queries, do ping me up, do write your comments so that we can build a community, we can understand better, we can help out each other. So as I say, Samjho Maths and Jeeto Confidence.